What's up, my soul squad? How you guys doing? Yes, it's cheeseburgers, and yes, I did them before, but guess what? It's summertime. I want quick foods. When I asked my kids what they want for dinner, they said a double cheeseburger with grandma sauce. My mother make this amazing sauce in the summertime for barbecues and stuff. And the crazy thing is that she only make it for the summer. So I decided to make double cheeseburgers, show them how we do them at our house with my grandmother's sauce. And of course, I am throwing in root beer floats for something cool and refreshing while you're eating, and some seasoned fries. But before we get started on this video, guys, a lot of my videos was pre-recorded, except for the one that I really put up and about my girl passing away, memories of you. The overwhelming response for condolences and prayers and things like that. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. But guess what, guys? I need your help again. Unfortunately, her family, they're in a bind. And they have a GoFundMe fund trying to raise money to actually send her home, a homegoing, you know. And it's been very stressful. The family is tired. And it's just when everything is so overwhelming. And I'm going to leave her link below. Guys, I don't care if it's 50 cents. That's the lowest GoFundMe take. 50 cents add up so much, so quickly. If I could do it, I would do it all myself. Unfortunately, I can't. Don't have it. Yeah, the link is below. She will be missed from on the couch. Just thank you guys for remembering who she is, the fun person she was, and just all the love you guys been giving me through Facebook, YouTube, everything. You know, she left behind 3 beautiful children, but we got them. They're my nieces and nephews. Okay, let's get started with this video. You guys want to make a double cheeseburger? Let's go. So right here, have a roll, because with my family, we're very large. I have my seasonings in here. You don't have to use the seasonings that I use. But if you want to know, is this your basic, the garlic powder, the onion powder, and all that stuff like that, pepper. And I have 2 eggs in here. And guys, do you when you do your burgers. And so I'm going to mix them up. Mix all this stuff up. Get all the seasoning up in there. Get the egg. I got my stove on. Let me move this to the side real quick. I'm going to put turkey bacon. So I already cooked the turkey bacon, guys. And I just want to get this blended up in here. The seasoning of this burger. Let's get it all up in there. When I make double cheeseburgers and I use ground beef, I don't make them thick. You want to make sure they're nice and flat and bun size. One thing about burgers, and you can do this with turkey burgers too, guys. One thing about burgers, they shrink. I want to say it slow so I can say it right. They shrink. So I'm just put my pan back on the stove. I'm gonna take this burger, more like a meatball size, and I'm gonna flatten it. Remember, hamburger shrinks. I did still say it wrong. And this is what I normally do. I sit it in the pan. Burn myself. But spread it out in the pan. Because I want it thin. But I don't want it that thin. Because they're going to go on top of each other. But you don't want a whole lot of beef either. You know, when you're doing, that's my son playing Fortnite. It's real. The kids on the video games. So I'm going to show you guys, you know, how thin it is. That's how I want them. I like them thin. That's going to be a double cheeseburger, guys. But don't make it real thick and huge, and goofy, all that ground beef. And I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna be back with this. It's gonna be so amazing. Okay, guys, we're back. While my burger's doing this thing, let me show you my mom's sauce. This is 2 ingredients, but guess what? They're the 2 best ingredients ever. And it don't have to be like, you know, name brand. I had some French dressing from Aldi's that I'm going in with. And I'm making a lot because they love it in here. So I'm going to say this is about maybe a cup right there. Let me mix it up. There's a little bit of water in my pan. That's okay. And a half a cup of mayonnaise. What's wrong? A half a cup of mayonnaise. This is the sauce. That's it. That's all. Stir it up. So it's going to be a cup of French dressing to about a half a cup of mayonnaise, guys. And you're just going to stir it up. This sauce is so amazing. And if you want to spice it up, add some hot sauce to it. You know, if you like something spicy, a little bit of hot sauce. We're going to flip these burgers. I'm no chef. My burgers ain't going to be shaped the same. And I want to tell you one thing about burgers a lot of people do. Don't mash your burgers down. Do not mash on your burgers. You're taking out all the juice. Look at that. That's going to mash on them burgers. You're taking out all the juice. And while them burgers are cooking, they want some onions. As soon as you flip, throw some onions on the side. Ooh, that hit the floor. Throw the onions right there on the side. Some people like raw onions. Throw them onions right on up in there with them burgers. Let them burgers cook. That look good. And this is the sauce. Whatever type of hamburger buns you love, you enjoy, your family love, whatever type you love and enjoy. While this cooking, I'm going to go pull out the pickles, get the plate, and we're going to get this started. Be back. So guys, look at this. So one burger, like I said, burgers shrink. If you want yours a little bit bigger, you can, but they shrink and a little lot flatter. They like cheese. The man that's doing the mukbang, he wants 2. So we're going to fix this right on that. We're going to let that melt. Like what? Yeah. Yeah. You got a top for yours. I don't feel like digging my top out. So that's what I did. That pot that's sitting right there. Yes, people. That's what you do. Okay. While that's melting up, let's get this bread process going. Remember, your favorite bun. And I had some sesame seed buns here. Grandma sauce. Grandma Jackie sauce. Look at that. He said, make sure you give me a lot of sauce. So, is that considered a lot of sauce? Okay, that's enough sauce. I gave him enough sauce, right? We're going to take down some, what? These onions. Look at them onions. Look at them onions. I don't know how much he wants. He's somebody going to say, nah, Miss T, we need more onions than that. Did I put a lot? Look at that. I'm going to say something for the top. We're going to take some pickles. Yeah, she going in with her hand. My kids, they don't care. Put the pickles right there. We got that first burger. The pickle want to slide off. We got that second burger with a little bit of onions on top. Okay. Then we're going to top it with some what? Turn the stove off. Because he want turkey bacon. I cooked that turkey bacon up for him. Then I'll put some more grandma sauce. Like, what's that orange stuff drizzling? Grandma sauce. Just like that. That's how he want it. We're going to be back. Because we about to make what? a root beer float, guys. Look at this. Look at this. The mukbang coming, guys. It's quick, it's simple. It's a double cheeseburger. Who need 5 guys when you got this? Why do you need 5 guys? Come on now. Red Robin, McDonald's, Burger King, Wendy's. Do it yourself at home. Let's get this root beer float started. Your favorite vanilla? I got some vanilla bean. Some vanilla beans, some vanilla beans, some vanilla beans. I mean, that goes with that, right? It has to. Oh my goodness. How much ice cream do you think he want? But that's enough. And go in with that root beer soda. Sit that to the side. A&W, whatever you can afford. Hey, I do whatever I can afford. Life on a budget. Look at that. Just pull. Wait a few minutes so that it could go down in there. See how it's going down to the bottom of that? See them bubbles? Yes, honey. Why I ain't getting no whipped cream? Why? But that's okay. Look at that. Look at that. This video had its moment. This video is done. Tell me if your kids don't want this, baby. There you go. A nice Sunday dinner made in your home, your way. Root beer float, double cheeseburger, my mother's sauce. This sauce is so amazing. Some seasoned fries. Fries? Guys, I'm sweating. It's the sweat talking, right? Okay. And remember, guys, like, share, subscribe, hit that button to be notified so you can get things like this. Come over on Tuesday. Watch Andrew go to town on this. Remember, all Keisha information is going to be in the description below, guys. Anything you could do to help, it will be truly, truly appreciated. Soul Squad, until next video, I love you. I am out.